Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Nick the Lucky Devil. We're here to talk about how regionals went in Liverpool over the weekend. Now, I played 7 rounds. I got into the top 50, where, okay, to be honest with you, I was at least hoping to get top 20, but it's my first regionals. You got to set yourself some kind of goal, but it doesn't matter because at the end of the day, I had a lot of fun. Played 7 rounds. I'd won 4 out of them. Lost 3. Got wonderful. Like, I can't wait to open this up. I know it's already in here, and me and my mate have already spoken about trades because he went as well. So we're gonna do a bit of back and forth. But I thought, like, do the openings first, show you guys. Um, I've also we also got some cool counters, and of course the many prizes that we got to open. So when we started, we already got one prize unknown and Greymon X antibody. Okay, didn't want to. Let's Yeah, there we go. Greymon X antibody. Loving the artwork, everything about it. Um, and then coming in the top 50, got an extra 2 packs. Not sure what's in them. I thought we'd do the openings here. So, how did it go? First game, I was up against Blue Flare. I won 2-1. It was a real slugfest. First round went to, of course, Blue Flare. Second round, I just pulled it out. Third, Shine Greymon does what Shine Greymon does best. Punching my away with all the Marcuses. Second game was Red Black War Greymon. That kind of went into my favor really well as it was 2-0. I won both rounds. It was just unfortunate that his deck didn't go off. He bricked both games. Second game was Blue Flare again, where I I have to say I'm very lucky when it comes down to Blue Flare because my mate, he plays Blue Flare a lot, and we were training and practice. I say training, like some kind of Rocky scene. But no, me and him were practicing against each other's decks over and over and over to the point where I did know Blue Flare. So when I came up against it again, I was very lucky. My deck went off both rounds. Unfortunately, his did not quite. Then we came across the Shoutmon X Digicross deck. I lost 0-2. Simple as that. My deck did not perform the best that it should have. And by the time it did, the Shoutmon deck just overrun me. Then we came across Game 5. Another Shine Greymon deck. It was Shine Grey versus Shine Grey. Whoever Shine Greyed out win. Unfortunately, in my case, I lost. It was a 0-2 where it was funny being on the receiving end of a Shine Greymon deck because I don't usually get to. But yes, he won. It was fair, like absolutely fair. The minute that he got Marcus, the 5 mana drop, 5 mana, no, 5 memory drop out, comes in, slams. That's it, game over. Basically, the first person that can get a Marcus to be suspended, it's a massive board wipe. Then I made a massive misplay. I made the biggest misplay. He ran Ruin mode. Now, for those who don't know, when Ruin mode, when you digivolve into Ruin mode, one of his main effects is all creatures until the end of your opponent's turn. Well, all Digimon on your opponent's side of the field get minus 5,000 until the end of your opponent's turn. Well, I misread, and I thought it was until the end of his turn. So I pushed forward my Greymon, which was 5,000 DP, and immediately it got deleted. So with that, and that ultimately pushed me back. But yeah, no, it was 0-2 to my opponent just because I misplayed. My fault entirely. Then we came across BL Star Control. I won. I got very First round, I got very lucky. I just went off. Second round was a little sluggish, but again, just pulled it off. And then last but not least, Green Bloom Lord. Oh, Bloom Lord. I was really thrown off by that. It when my opponent pulled it out, it was like, cool. I was like, whoa. Because I had it in my head. I'll be playing against Blackwall Greymons, Blue Flares. I was expecting a couple of that. I was not expecting the Bloom Lord. So when Bloom Lord came out, it was like, oh, great. Like, my mind was frustrated. So, yes, unfortunately, I lost against that. But at the end of the day, it was so entertaining to be there and so much fun. And I have to say, I cannot wait for the next one. Now, my friend was telling me the next one there is a possibility of doing another one, and it's going to be online. It's a Discord regionals, and I'm looking forward to actually doing that one. But yeah. So, let's do some pack openings. Now, we'll start off with the participation packs. Then we'll move down to the prizes. Okay, so guys, let's check it out. So we'll start off with this bad boy right here. So as you all know, War Greymon, Imperial Digimon Fighter Mode from BT12, Gallantmon from BT12. I think it's all BT12 if I remember correctly. Emperor Greymon, Shine Greymon, and Shoutmon. Oh no, that's BT11. The one of. Oh, and there's one more. I missed one. These cards, like, I'm so happy I pulled these. I'm so happy I went to get these. So I'm going to be probably trading out to my friend Shoutmon, and I think it was Siriusmon or War Greymon. Will I get another copy of Shine Greymon? And I believe Emperor Greymon. Reason being, I have a red hybrid deck, and I want to be using this in it. So yes, that was the participation pack. Let's open our prizes. Now, I can't remember which one was which. We're just going to open it off from left to right. Okay. Alright, that was our X antibody. I forgot one of these was not covered up. Just to give you a nice little look at that artwork. Oh, it is beautiful. Alright, on to the next one. This is the one we don't know. These are the ones we haven't got a clue. And we got Mememon. So this one, on play or when digivolving, from BT11, reveal the top 5 cards of your deck. You may play one Tamer card with a play cost of 4 or less among them without paying the cost. Place the rest to the bottom of your deck. Ooh. Next one. You know what? I'm just going to keep that out. Move the trash out. Alright. Mememon. Gravity Crush. Gain 2 memory at the end of your turn. Lose 2 memory from BT1. Okay. Last one out of our prize pool. Alright. Are you ready? Tie from BT6. This is the one that when one of your Digimon with Agumon or Greymon in its name moves from the breeding area to the battle area, gain 1 memory, and trigger 1 draw. During the main, once per turn, Digivolve your Agumon with Agumon Bond or Bravery in your hand for its Digivolution cost, ignoring its level. If you do, trash the top 2 cards of your security stack. Then if you have 1 or more security cards, delete that Digimon at the end of the turn. That is quite the collection of I'm quite happy with those. Alright, last but not least, let's check out the other half of our regionals participation. Alright. I know we did get a deck box, but it's kind of it's not exactly the sturdiest of things. It's cool, but eh. So, throwing everything out. That's pretty cool. Although I think what kind of ruins it is the not for sale in the bottom left hand corner. It's like, I don't plan on selling it, but thank you for telling me that I can't sell it. But yeah, that's what the prizes we got. I'm very happy with that collection. Well, guys, that's what we got. At the end of the day, I want to say thank you to everyone who's watched this. The next video hopefully should be out in the next so on. Basically, we're going to be doing a box opening, as we got ourselves the Blastoise latest BT14 while we were at the regionals. So I'll be doing a separate video on the box opening of that. But till next time, guys, catch you later. You take care, stay safe. Until next time, bye.